Having one of these large size apple core and slicers is pretty handy. Now it's a little large, so they do make some smaller sizes you might want to bring with camping or in the RV. But for in the house where you don't have to worry about size so much, these large ones don't just look cool, but they give you a lot more leverage, a lot more to hold on to. So when you're going to core and slice an apple at home and you don't have to worry about the size in the cabinet, using one of these larger cores is very simple. I like to use them against a cutting board like this bamboo one here. When you pull the core out of the center, it'll also pull all the pieces away from themselves, and you've got nice sliced and cored apples. Throw this into the recycle or into the compost and you're good to go. Really like the leverage and the looks of these large apple cores. Hope this helps.